Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys amazing soap product reviews for Rocky Mountain Soap. I don't know why I get so excited about this company, but literally they're amazing. As you guys know, I shared with you on my channel another video on Rocky Mountain Soap because I have a problem and I have an addiction and I just can't stop myself. Every time I get paid, I'm like, hey, Rocky Mountain Soap, here we come. I'm gonna buy more soap. I need more soap. I don't need more soap. I just want more soap. So indulgent in soap. It's like you really can't say that you have a problem when it's soap, but it's a problem. So as you guys know, I shared in my last video some of my favorite soaps, and I also shared the monthly feature for September. So as I told you guys, I don't think I alluded to it too much, but the soap actually sells out usually within like the first 2 weeks. So if you want to cash in on the feature soap of the month, be sure to go the first week of the month because it actually apparently sells out. When I made that video, I had only tried it like halfway through the month, and then literally like 2 days later it sold out. So I couldn't even get any more, and I couldn't share with you guys more or tell you to get more because you couldn't get more. So it is the beginning of the month. It is the beginning of October. This soap might be sold out by the time I actually get this video edited and live, but I bought the new feature soap, which is called Jack-o'-lantern. So pretty. Look at this soap. It's so beautiful. So this is our monthly feature for October. Of course, it's Halloween inspired. And I went on the weekend and I was like, I need to buy like 18 bars of this if I love it. The problem is you never know if you love it because you can't try it because they don't have any samples. So I was like, well, I was standing there and I'm like, so if I buy 4 bars, and you apparently get 10% off if you buy half a slab, which is 8 bars. So you end up saving about $10 to $15, which is really cool. But I was like, I don't want to do that unless I love a soap so much, like unless I love it. So I was like, well, how about I just like take it? Can I just like try? I'm gonna buy this one for sure, but I want to lather it in the sink and feel it. So I actually did this. So I did in fact buy 4 bars of this because they will be gone. You can't get them again. I don't like stuff like that because what if I'm in love with this soap and it's gone? Like what if I'm in love? And so I bought the limited bar. I bought 4 of them. I lathered it in the sink. The lather is so beautifully nourishing. This soap is amazing. So this one contains, shockingly, no pumpkin. Even though it's orange, there's no pumpkin. But there's no colorant, so don't worry, my friends. So it's coconut, olive oil, shea butter, sunflower oil, cedarwood, fennel, spearmint, coriander, activated charcoal, annatto, nutmeg, and turmeric. So that's where the coloring comes from, is the turmeric. But this one has that charcoal in it. So charcoal is meant to be amazing for your skin, really great for breakouts and for like healthy skin. There's so many benefits. I'll let you guys look it up yourselves, but there's apparently so much that's like amazing about having charcoal activated or having activated charcoal in your skincare products. So I'm really excited to use this more and savor what I have left because it might never come back. There's no guarantee. Sometimes they bring them back, sometimes they don't. So, and this is like new to me. So like this company is so new to me that I don't actually know if they actually re-release every year because I haven't been following them that long. I've just been like latched on the last 3 months of like, this is the best company in the world. So I'm having problems over here. So I bought a ton of those. The price point is, I believe they're $6.95 a bar. If you buy half a slab, it's $45 with a discount, and then you can buy a full slab for like $75. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm so on board. I'm so on board with everything that they do, and I love the bars of soap. They're just like, my shower's getting out of control. I have 4 bars in the shower right now. So that's the ones I bought for the feature month of October. Be sure to check them out and get in there before they are gone because they are wonderful. Every feature is wonderful. And then I also did pick up the fennel and charcoal bar. So you can see all of the charcoal in this one. So this one has water, coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, sunflower oil, fennel, cedarwood, and activated charcoal. So it's almost a direct mimic of this new feature one, but it doesn't have obviously the nutmeg and the turmeric, and yeah, no, everything else is pretty much the same. So this is kind of like a version of, I haven't tried this one yet, I just got it, But I was reading online that apparently I don't know if it's the fennel or the chocolate, but it's apparently really great for breakouts. So whether you have breakouts like on your shoulders or your back or on your face, the girl in the store actually told me that you can put it on your face and it's amazing for breakouts. So I'm really excited to try just adding more stuff and adding things to your routine that make you feel more abundantly beautiful and make your skin feel amazing, and you know that it's not harming you and it's not hurting you. So I don't know. I'll link their website below for you guys to check them out, and of course I will keep sharing all of the future month soap because I have a problem, and I'm like, none of this is sponsored, it's just like all my own money, but I'm like literally so in support of so much of this company because they are so amazing at what they do and they care about a natural product. And I think it's a disservice to our world if I don't share this product and I don't share with you guys that there's options out there for someone who is actually doing something to help us. So be sure to check them out, and if not, just enjoy my review videos of me getting super excited about soap, because you know you're getting old when you're like, soap is my life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you so much for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and share any comments that you guys have about this soap company, products that you love by them, products I should try maybe. I love to hear suggestions. So with all of that said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.